Of the density. Very important topic. Density. Every matter has density. Remember this. Now, density is having two parts, mass and volume. Alright. Mass is the amount of matter or substance that makes up an object. Means the number of atoms in a matter or a substance makes a mass. Mass and weight. There is a difference between mass and weight. Mass is constant everywhere, but weight is variable and it can change. The weight, for example, weight on Earth will be different if we compare weight on Moon. Why? Because of gravity. Weight is depend on the gravity. Oh, all right. So the gravity of Earth is more as compared to the gravity of Moon. So the weight on Earth will be more as compared to weight on Moon. Clear? So it is the amount of matter or the substance that makes up an object. Mass always stays the same while weight changes with change in the gravity, and it is measured in kilogram or gram. Now volume you all have studied before, and as I have explained in my previous videos as well, the amount of space occupied by an object, generally measured in cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Now, density, a measure of the amount of matter contained, that is mass, in a given volume upon volume. This is the formula, and it is represented by rho, a Greek sign. All right. Now, density is directly proportionate to mass. Now, directly proportionate means directly related to mass. More density, more mass. Less density, less mass. Similarly, with volume, density is inversely proportionate with volume. Inversely means indirectly proportional. Just the reverse. If more density, less volume, less density, more volume. Clear? Now, density in solid is more than liquid and gases. Since gases have no definite shape, therefore density is very less. Clear this part? Except liquid, in liquid mercury. All right, mercury is having more density. There are exceptions everywhere. Relationship of solid and liquid density. If solid, this is very important, which I am going to discuss. All right, if solid density is more than liquid density, if solid density is more than liquid density, it will sink. Suppose what happens in the water when you try to throw a steel object, it sinks now, because the steel density is 7.85 gram per cubic centimeter and water density is 1.00 gram per cubic centimeter. So steel sinks into the water. If the solid density is less than liquid density, it will float. For example, ice. What happens? Ice sink into the water? No, it floats on the surface. So ice is having 0.917 gram per cubic centimeter and water 1.0 gram per cubic. So ice has less density than water, so it will float. Clear? Now about the speed. The distance traveled per unit of time, or you have already studied in maths about how to calculate speed and how the speed is how this speed is being linked with distance and time. Velocity. Velocity, with this speed, if you are having a direction, suppose you are moving this, then this, then this, so each one is having direction, we say it as a velocity. Average speed, it is the total distance divided by total time for the trip, or or travel. Average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. Now this is the formula. Now sometimes the speed will be given in kilometer per hour, sometimes it will be given as in meter per second. If you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, just after it is a small quantity, it has been calculated quantity, not small, calculated quantity. With this simply you have to do the calculation, whatever into 5 upon 18, and if you have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, you just simply have to multiply 18 upon 5. Clear? This is S. This for your understanding I have written as SEC, second. Now come over here. Now suppose that if you see this diagram, this is a distance, here it is time, it is a speed chart, all right, distance time graph. Now suppose that you are driving a car and from 10 kilometer it is not traveled, so it is having 0 here, but 15 kilometer it traveled in 1 hour, 20 kilometer into 2 hours, and 25 kilometer in 3 hours. Here the car was at 10 kilometer and it was stationary, and from here it started. This part is known as constant speed or uniform speed. Clear? With this diagram it will be easy for you to understand this, with this chart it will be easy for you to understand this graph. Now here your car 0, it was on 15 kilometer on in 1 hour, it was 15 kilometer in 2 hours, it was 15 kilometer in 3 hours, and so on. So it means that the object is not moving, it is stationary. Now in this diagram, look over here, the curve is like this. It means the distance and the time, they are non-uniform to each other, they are not constant. How? Suppose here 0 distance in 0 time, 0 hour, in 2 kilometers in 1 hour, then 4 kilometers in 2 hours, then 7 kilometers in 3 hours, then 12 kilometers in 4 hours, 23 kilometers in 5 hours. The speed is non-uniform, not constant, changing. Here the difference was 2, here the difference was 2, here the difference was 3, here the difference was 5, here the difference was of 11. So there is no constant or uniformity. Here it is in the speed is non-uniform. Look over here, it is having a constant speed, a very easy diagram of distance and time. So this diagram is having a constant speed. All right, one more. Now look over here, 2 cars are there, they have to travel the same distance, but look over here, this graph is more steady and rising up as compared with this part, because in this stipulated in 1 hour, the first one is carrying only going 5 kilometer, but this graph, this part is in 1 hour it is traveling almost 6 to 7 kilometers, isn't it? Almost 7 kilometers. Look over here, in 1 hour only. So all the comparisons are given here in this chart. So if I try to calculate average speed of this part, total distance of this on total time, this average speed is 7 kilometer per hour. Here calculate the total distance and then divide with the total time, the speed is 5 kilometer. Naturally 7 kilometer per hour speed is more than the 5 kilometer hour, and here with the chart also you can very easily understand. All right, so your chapter is finished.